Welcome back to Automotive Widgets, your go-to place for the best car upgrades, reviews, and automotive tips. Today, we're diving into the best speakers for Nissan Altima, from crystal clear highs to punchy mids. We'll show you the top options to transform your driving experience. So, if you want your Altima to sound as good as it drives, stick around. Number 5. GearUp 6.5-inch door speaker. The GearUp 6.5-inch door speakers are another reliable replacement option for Nissan Altima models from 2008 to 2025, along with compatibility for Pathfinder, Sentra, Maxima, and Murano. This two-piece set offers a straightforward upgrade that restores and enhances your car's audio performance. Users appreciate the simple installation. No extra modifications are required thanks to the factory-fit design. In terms of sound, these speakers offer a clear and balanced tone that significantly improves over worn-out stock units. While they may not deliver the heavy bass that some premium brands provide, they excel at clarity, making podcasts, audiobooks, and vocals especially enjoyable. For budget-conscious drivers who want an upgrade that just works, the GearUp set strikes a strong balance between price and quality. The durable construction ensures longevity, and reviews consistently note a satisfying improvement in everyday listening experiences, especially for those who spend a lot of time commuting in their Altima. Number 4. Kicker DSC 6504 DS Series. For Nissan Altima owners seeking a complete audio upgrade, the Kicker DSC 6504 DS Series kit offers a 4-pack of 6.5-inch coaxial speakers, designed to replace both front and rear door speakers. Tailored for 2013 to 2024 Altima models, this package comes with adapters and harnesses, ensuring easy plug-and-play installation across all 4 positions. The DS series speakers are built with a polypropylene woofer cone and polyester foam surround, which provide durability and balanced sound reproduction. Users highlight the improvement in sound staging when upgrading all 4 doors at once, creating a fuller and more immersive in-car audio experience. While the bass response is moderate, mids and highs are notably enhanced, making music playback cleaner and more dynamic than with factory speakers. This set is ideal for Altima owners who want an all-in-one package to refresh their entire sound system without piecing together individual components. Number 3. Kicker CSC 654 speakers. The Kicker CSC 654 is one of the most popular upgrades for 2013 to 2024 Nissan Altima owners. This kit includes 2 6.5-inch CS series coaxial speakers, along with adapters and harnesses for easy installation. The standout feature here is the polypropylene woofer with ribbed surround, which delivers punchy bass and cleaner mid-range tones. Additionally, the polyester dome tweeters provide sharp, clear highs, making this a full-range speaker system upgrade. Users consistently praise the sound clarity and improvement over stock speakers, particularly noting how vocals and high notes become more defined. Whether you enjoy bass-heavy tracks or acoustic music, these speakers handle a wide range of genres effectively. The included adapters and harnesses mean you won't need special modifications, and the installation process is smooth for most Altima owners. If you're looking for a noticeable step up in sound quality with minimal installation hassle, the Kicker CSC 654 is a solid choice. Number 2. Harmony Audio HAR65. The Harmony Audio HAR65 upgrade package is designed specifically for 2002 to 2016 Nissan Altima models, making it a direct replacement for worn-out factory speakers. This set includes 2 6.5-inch coaxial speakers engineered to deliver balanced sound performance. Compared to OEM speakers, the HAR65 offers better bass handling, improved mid-range clarity, and a noticeable lift in overall volume output. Installation is simple since the package is tailored for Altima models, and most users report it being a quick DIY project. Many customer reviews mention the impressive improvement in clarity, especially for music with strong vocals and instrumentals. Another standout point is its efficiency. These speakers don't require high-powered amplifiers to sound good, making them a cost-effective solution for those who want a straightforward upgrade. This model strikes a balance between affordability and performance, ideal for Altima drivers who want to refresh their car audio system without spending too much. Number 1. Door speaker compatible. This door speaker is a direct fit replacement for Nissan Altima 2008 to 2025, as well as Pathfinder, Sentra, Maxima, and Murano. Designed for hassle-free installation, it fits seamlessly into the factory slots without requiring modifications. Customers appreciate the clarity of vocals and mids, making it a solid upgrade over factory-installed speakers. The speaker's 6.5-inch size ensures better bass response compared to smaller stock options. Its build quality is reliable for long-term use, and many users highlight that it restores the original punch of their audio system without distortion at high volume. If you're looking for a simple plug-and-play replacement that enhances sound without breaking the bank, this is a practical choice for most Altima owners. Thanks for watching Automotive Widgets. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our latest automotive reviews. Drop a comment below telling us which speaker upgrade you'd pick for your Altima. Until next time, drive safely and keep your car sounding amazing.